Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a problem on Instagram. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So the first step, we need to open Instagram over here and then we go to our account. And then whenever we go to our account on Instagram, we click over here on the top right corner with these three lines and just we scroll down a little bit until we can find the option that says help, and we click on it and then we choose report a problem and then we click on report problem without shaking. So that's the first option. And then we click do not include, and here we can write the report and click on send. So for example, we said this is a report and we click on done, and this is how we can create a report, but this is not the only method. We can go back and then we can go to home screen, and from here we can shake our phone, and as we can see here we have report technical problem. So that's another method that we can follow in order to report a problem on Instagram. At the end, that was all today's video. If you found it very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.